Most beginner guitarists don't have a pick problem. They have a pick holding problem. If your pick keeps moving, slipping, or feeling unstable, this lesson is for you. How the pick shifts around every time it hits the string. It feels inconsistent and difficult to control. The pick stays stable. The movement is smaller. Everything feels cleaner and more controlled. There are many different pick shapes and sizes, but one thing matters more than anything else. Your thumb should securely cover the pick. Think of your thumb as locking the pick in place. Don't just pinch the pick with your fingertips. Use your thumb to keep it stable while staying relaxed. When the pick doesn't move around, your picking becomes more accurate, your tone improves, and playing fast becomes much easier. How to hold the pick. How little of the pick is exposed. The thumb sits naturally on top, securing the pick without excessive pressure. Firm, but never tense. Common mistake. This allows the pick to wobble every time it strikes the string. That extra movement makes clean and fast picking much harder. Now, let's use the same picking exercise from the previous lesson. Don't focus only on how you move the pick. First, make sure you're holding it correctly. A stable pick creates clear tone, better control, and makes fast picking much easier.